Since 2019, we've partnered with Sell Your Bags, enhancing their online presence and conversions through web development, redesigned website for improved user experience, created modern and mobile-friendly design, PPC optimization, optimized Sell Your Bags PPC campaigns, 70% reduction in cost per conversion, 80% increase in conversions, SEO strategy and results, increased website authority score from 3 to 17. Monthly visitors surged from 129 to 10.7K. Ranked keywords expanded from 405 to 10.2K. Backlinks grew from 150 to 8.9K. Silver Ant Marketing has been a driving force behind Sell Your Bags' incredible growth over the past 5 years, delivering impressive boost in.
We started a relationship with Sam about 5 years ago. At the time, we had a very small team of people that we worked with, and we were trying to look for someone that could work hand in hand with us. We are very happy for Sam's support, and we are looking forward to continue working with them.